Good morning. Sea day number 2. Back here at Summer's Landing, deck 8 aft. Got a good spot here in the shade. We've been hanging out for a little bit. Most everybody just went to grab some food and they'll be headed back. But we're looking forward to enjoying some seats in the shade today because yesterday it was quite hot out in the sun. But we got Kaylin and Grandma Carolyn here holding down the fort with me till everyone gets back. Lori and Lacey are out here sitting in loungers in the sun.
That's an extra piece if somebody wants it.
Heck of a guy, heck of a guy.
Extra sauce.
Did you order extra sauce?
I did, you gave it to me. That's a surprise.
For you, my love.
Why don't they like the gluten-free? The gluten-free cake?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What are they going to serve on the cake?
No.
Carrie and Mylan just got back from their cake decorating class. This is Carrie's cake.
Things up in the rafters above me.
This is nice.
Got Brian out here enjoying the pool. How we doing, Brian?
Good.
Water's a little chilly.
It's a little chilly. Takes a little while to get activated.
How we doing, Lori? It's a nice chair. Nice view right off the back of the ship.
Another ice cream disaster. So basically, I was throwing up the ice cream. It was a little liquidy. Then all the ice cream fell off. And then my cone broke in half. So I grabbed another one. Then the ice cream fell off again, but my cone didn't break. Then I filled it up again. And then it fell. All the ice cream fell. So I filled it up again with the same cone, and then put a cone on top.
Cup like yours, but it was like blue or gray, and then umbrella.
The original 4 still here, 8 hours later. How was your day?
Good day. I had a very good day. How about you?
It was a good day.
I don't know how you work this thing.
Just pointed at you.
Okay.
Do a little interview. Tell about your day.
That's all right.
It's raining. Oh my, look out there. There's like a huge storm. You can't even start to see off the ship out here. It's raining so hard.
Hey, Josh. I'm going to see if I can keep it.
Everybody's scrambling.
Hey, maybe we'll get it for me. All right, we got a little bit of rain here. It's gonna look a little bit cloudy outside. We've had about 8 hours here at the pool, and we're ready to head to the room. Matt's getting hungry. He hadn't eaten in about an hour. Got Chrissy bringing up the rear. Here's a market hog here by the side. Here's Matt's favorite place to eat. One of them. Probably the second is right here on the left. It's the pizza shop. Good story. Okay, I'm gonna go with these guys.
Just left the room. We're headed up here to listen to some piano tunes at the Golden Jubilee
4 minutes until time travel commences. The time
before we head off to karaoke later. Now we're headed over to Latitudes. Tonight at center stage is the magnificent circus.
Like your love to get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet, strawberry wine.
finished up dinner, headed back to the room. It's about 10 o'clock. Tomorrow morning is our first port stop, Bonaire. It's a long port stop. We're actually in from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So not sure how long we'll stay off, but it could be a long day on the island. We're gonna get off bright and early. We have golf carts running to tour the island tomorrow. So it should be a great day. We have good snorkeling, a lot of cool sights to see. We're just headed back and get some bed, get some sleep.